First go to the file and click on open. Select this image, press open. Now take the quick selection tool and choose select and mask option above. Here hit select subject. Open output options. Here select new layer with layer mask. Click OK. Select the bottom layer. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose a solid color adjustment layer. Select black color. Click OK. Right click on this layer mask option. Here choose add mask to selection. Go to the adjustment layer options and choose a solid color adjustment layer. Select black color. Click OK. Now take a new layer. Drag and drop this layer to center. Now right click on this top two layers and choose create clipping mask. Then select this layer. Take the elliptical marquee tool and use this tool like this. Go to edit and choose fill. Here select white color. Click OK. Now hit Ctrl D to deselect. Press Ctrl T for transform options. Adjust the circle like this. Hit enter. Let's see the final result.